This is question number 8 from the June 2015 Geometry Regents exam. In this diagram, we're trying to find out which one of these four statements is not necessarily always going to be true. Now, let's take a look at option number 2. It says that angle CEG is congruent to angle FDG. So that's this angle here compared to this angle here. Now, we do know that these are going to be equal angles, and that's because they're both inscribed angles that are subtended by the same arc. You'll see that this angle connects to the arc C to F, and this one also connects to that same arc. Okay, so those are definitely going to be the same. So that checks out. Now the other important thing to notice is that because we're dealing with two opposite angles here and here, this angle and this angle, because they're opposite, are going to be congruent as well. They're going to be the same. So because of that, we're dealing with an angle-angle theorem, right? With an angle-angle versus angle-angle. So we're dealing with two congruent triangles here. Oh, sorry, not congruent, similar. So that proves that option number 4 is always going to be true. These two triangles are similar. And because we know that, the relationship here, the ratio of CE over EG is going to be equal to the ratio of FD over DG. And again, we know that's going to be the case because these are two similar triangles. So we're left with option number 1. And to be honest, you can tell that this is not true just in the drawing itself. Let me just erase some of this stuff here. Take a look at this. The line from C to G and from F to G, they're clearly not the same length. I can tell that F to G is shorter, but we can also tell by realizing that even though we're dealing with two similar triangles, they're not congruent, right? Similar means the angles will be the same, not the side lengths. So option number 1 is our correct answer. All right, that's it for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.